Respected Shri Vineet Mittalji, Chairperson Avada Group, Madam Rachna Sharma ji, Founder Phuro Innovations, other dignitaries on the stage, Amit ji from Jagran, friends from media, very good evening. It's my proud privilege. I'm very happy to be here today evening, and I would like to thank Phuro Innovations for inviting me here. I have the least knowledge about the subject. Other speakers have had spot on this, but I am equally worried about the climate changes that are taking place in the universe, which are adversely affecting the country, world as a whole. With rampant climate change, we are witnessing repercussion of delay in taking action and making policies. Each day is important, as is each degree rise in Earth's temperature, every centimeter of rise in ocean water. So where India is concerned, India is a fast growing economy. India has emerged as a destination of investment. India is the fifth largest economy of the world, and very shortly it is going to be third economy. India has liberal FDI policy. That's why a lot of investment is taking place in India. India has population of 140 crores, and vast urbanization is taking place. Lot of houses, building, infrastructure and factories are being placed, and that's why demand for power is increasing. A rise in urban population, vast construction, new buildings, factories, transportation network, all these contribute for increase in energy demand. India is already third largest energy consumer of world. Country will have to increase its electricity generation fivefold in the mid-century, and coal is 60% contributor for energy. India's announcement that it aims to reach net zero emission by 2070 and to meet 50% of its electricity requirement from renewable energy sources by 2030 is hugely a significant moment for the global fight against climate change. India has long coastline, abundant sunshine, various vacant lands, which can facilitate renewable power energy via hydro, solar, and wind. The nation thus has potential to rank among the top global producers of both wind and solar energy. India's annual CO2 emissions have risen to become the third highest in the world. However, India's CO2 emission per person put it near the bottom of the world's emitters. The same is true about the energy consumption. India's sheer size and its huge scope for growth means that its energy demand is set to grow by more than that of any other country in the coming decades. The country is one of the world's largest producer of modern bioenergy and has big ambition to scale up its use across the economy. Solar installations have grown 20-fold in India since 2015, while wind power capacity has doubled. Domestically, hydrogen can be utilized for long duration storage of renewable energy, as well as replacing fossil fuel in industry and heavy duty transportation. India is particularly well placed to become global leader in renewable batteries and green hydrogen. India could easily create 5 million tons green hydrogen demand, thereby replacing grey hydrogen in refineries and fertilizer sector. Today we all have gathered here to support one specific initiative, that is green hydrogen. India has launched the National Hydrogen Mission with an aim to make the country a hub for the production of export of green hydrogen. This Monday, only my senior colleague in Council of Ministers, Shri Hardeep Puri ji, Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Housing, she launched India's first hydrogen power course. Recently, I got an opportunity to visit IOC hydrogen dispensing facility at Vadodara, and I was delighted to see this facility and the state-of-the-art technology being used there. We have to save the universe and make every effort, as this Phuro Innovations is doing. You are doing a great job. You are serving the humanity. You are serving the universe. We have to learn to stop interfering in the nature. We are cutting forests. We are depleting the underground water, use of fertilizer, chemicals, influencing the fertility of the land. And if we don't stop, we have to face the fury of the nature. Nature will react badly, and if we want to save this planet for the future, we have to be very conscious. We have to work according to nature, and we must stop emissions, and green hydrogen is the future. I am sure this group which is doing a wonderful job, I congratulate you. You are doing great for the human being and for the universe. My hats off to you. I hope you will continue doing this. My best wishes. I thank you again for calling me here and today's meeting. I feel proud. Thank you very much. Thank you.